Okay, here's a quick one for you. A little windy today, so I apologize for that, but we're right outside the shop here. I'm gonna show you how easy, hopefully, it is to switch out a rear view mirror on a 2007 Lincoln MKX, Ford Lincoln MKX. So if you call the dealership like I did, you will likely to get the same story or message that I did. They were going to charge me a little over $500 to do this. And I said, no, I think I can do it myself. Actually, the tech there is like, hey, if you have any sense of mechanical ability, you can. And I barely have a little sense. But point is, they were going to charge me $500. They ended up charging me almost that much just for the mirror itself. I don't remember exactly how much, but I'm going to say over $300. So that was the last time we broke one of these. We have a very tight, narrow garage, and people keep hitting the side of the garage door, knocking mirrors off. So that was the passenger side. This time we have the driver's side that has an issue. And so I'm going to swap the driver's side of, again, a 2007 Lincoln MKX. It has power, heated mirrors, all the things. It was fully loaded back in 07. So I got on Amazon and I found this one for $72. So there you go. That's what it looks like. You can get it off Amazon. Make sure you get it for an 07 Lincoln MKX or whatever yours is. I think the Ford Escapes are similar. And I think it's 07 to like 13 all take the same thing. So this should apply to you. So it's as simple as this. There's a panel right here. And you can see right here, there's one little bolt sticking out there. And what I'll do is I'll bring you over here real quick to show you exactly what we're dealing with here. So this is what we're looking at. Okay, this bolt holds on the mirror. And if you take this panel and just give it a little bit of pull on the top, it'll come right off. It just has two tabs. There's a guide post here and two tabs just like that. Just pull that off. Then you're going to need a 7/16 socket. Okay, and we're going to pull these three bolts off. 1, 2, 3. We're going to unplug this connector, and you'll see that the new mirror has the same connector on the back of it. You want to verify that. We're going to take those three bolts off, take the mirror off, put the new one in, tighten the bolts down, connect your connector, and then snap this piece back on. And that's it, folks. In 3 minutes, you got the rundown. So I hope that was helpful. I will take 30 more seconds of your time. I'm going to put you on time lapse. Pull that off. Put the other one back on to show that I didn't magically do it. And then we'll be right back. Okay, I wanted to pause real quick here. Two things. One, I couldn't have done this if I tried. But I took this nut off this one right here, and it fell right down inside the door. Don't do that. Okay, we got it in there. Don't do like I did, like I started to say, and drop that nut, because by random chance it went inside the door. And this is a pain to get off. So I went and found another one with a lock washer on it, or lock nut rather. And so I'm just going to tighten them all up. Finish getting them nice and snug. And then all you have to do is, in theory, plug it back in. Don't over tighten them, you pull them through. And by the way, when you get your new mirror, it has these little protective covers on it most likely that are just over these the nut or the bolts coming out of the back of the mirror. You just pull those off. I think it's obvious, but I want to include that just in case. You all, like me, never know, right? So, all right, I'm just going to snug them up. Looks like it's good and snug. I'm going to plug my mirror in. I had to go get a bunch of search for the nut, but let's just turn this on real quick. Before I put the cover back on, I'm going to start the car Let's make sure that that mirror, yep, responds as it should. Looks like it's working. So there you go. It's as easy as that. Save yourself 500 bucks or so. Buy it off Amazon or wherever you want to get it. $72, I believe it was. And just put it in, make sure it works. Once you're sure that it does work, put this guidepost back in on the top. Slide the bottom in. Click. And boom. Nobody can tell that you broke your mirror. It's all back in place. All right, well, thanks so much for following along. If you found that helpful, do give me a like or whatever and follow, and I greatly appreciate it. Hope you found that helpful. See ya.